Hello friends, and welcome to yet another beautiful tutorial where we get to do this beautiful parrot in 3D like this. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment and share. So we begin by drafting our parrot on this beautiful right angle with pattern paper. If you don't have it, kindly reach out to me. My contact are down on the description below, and I'll send it to you for free. Okay, so the materials required are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll also need a nail cutter to cut the fishing line with, and also you're going to require beads, which are assorted colored. In this case, you can decide to use different colors. It's not a must for you to use the exact same colors that I've used here, but you can use different colors. And we begin with our right angle weave pattern with 4 red beads there, as you've seen, and then we continue. So we are beginning by making one side of the parrot, and kindly remember that this is for those of you who already understand how to do the right angle weave pattern. So if this is your first time to come across beading, if you are trying out beading for the first time, kindly check out our tutorials that are meant for beginning. They are on our playlist. You can just go to our playlist, check out if you want to learn how to do beading and get to this point, because this is not for beginners. You can just watch along to see how it flows, but if you want to try this out, I strongly recommend that you start by learning the basics on the right angle weave so that you understand it, and then you can come to you can advance and reach to making parrots like this. So here we began with the top side. As you can see, the black bit that we are putting there is meant for the eye. Okay, so we've started from the top and going towards the bottom, and if you can observe, we've already started making the corners. The outline for the parrot has already started taking shape, especially on the head. Okay, so if you find this video to be quite fast, you can kindly go to the settings and slow down the video to the settings that you find comfortable for you. I am really looking forward to your feedback, and thank you for all of you who keep on commenting, who keep on suggesting new videos, and for the feedback that you've given me. I'm really grateful, guys. It really is inspirational and motivational to see that you guys have tried doing what you learn here. And also, I'd like to remind you guys that the skills that you learn here are quite important and valuable, because you can be able to earn some extra money from just doing this, because you'll be able to sell your products, and once you sell them, you'll be able to get some money in your pocket, even if it's not your primary source of income. It doesn't hurt to have something that can earn you some extra dollars. So kindly take these skills seriously, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have been able to do from these tutorials. You can share your pictures, and the contact details to how you can share your pictures are down on the description below. Okay, guys, and you can also see what other people or other students have been able to do. through the community tab. Just go to the community tab on this channel, and once you tap there, you can be able to see what other people have been doing previously. And also you can see, I normally post projects that are upcoming, or I ask questions there on how we can improve maybe our video quality and more things that can help improve this channel. So kindly consider checking out the community tab, where you can be able to participate more on upcoming projects, and also be able to see what other students have been able to do. Okay, guys. um as you can see here, we are making quite some beautiful progress. Remember, guys, in beading, you really need to be patient. You need to remember that you have to do this one bead at a time, and also you have to be quite keen, so that you can be able to spot the mistakes once you do them. Okay, so you shouldn't get discouraged if you keep getting mistakes once you're on your artwork. That shows that you're trying, and if you're able to spot the mistakes, that means you're becoming more keen. Okay, so just remember, mistakes are part and parcel of your growth. So don't be afraid to make mistakes here. And once you do that, and then you try out another thing, or repeat the same artwork, you can be able to improve, and you can be able to correct and become better at your skill. Okay, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to start. Just start as you continue learning on the way. And I do have testimonials of people who have been able to do this beadwork from scratch without knowing anything, just from the tutorials they have seen here on this channel, and they've been able to learn, and currently improving their beading skills. Okay, so this is part of why I do these tutorials for you guys, is to also inspire more of you to start beading as a hobby, and also be able to get some extra income from the sales of the products that you make. And also, I'd love to revive the beading culture among the youth, or among everyone across the world, making sure that this culture isn't forgotten once the people who are skilled depart. So we really need to help popularize this art in general, and also help demystify the general thought that art isn't a career choice among most of our society members. So you can really help by sharing this video, also by hitting that like button, so that this type of content can get to more and more people across the globe. And as you can see, guys, we are making quite some beautiful progress with our parrot. As you can see here, we are almost 3/4 done. The color combination there of red, white, black, orange, a hint of yellow, green, and light blue, and glass green. So this is really looking beautiful. I really hope that you guys try this in person. And the end result is something that you can use as a pendant on your necklace. You can use it as a key holder on your key ring. And you can also let me know on the comment section down below how you use your parrot. You can even hang it on your rear view mirror on the car. It's something that you can put even in your house. You can hang it somewhere, maybe on your curtain or on your door or anywhere. As in, some you are the one who decides how you're going to use this piece, and you really are going to feel satisfied if you did do this by yourself, if you love beading, that is. And if you would love to get this, you can reach out to me, and we can be able to make arrangements on how you'll get it. My contact details are down on the description below, and where you can be able to place your order on also other beading products. I'd also like to remind you guys that we do have private classes that are tailor-made and um, more comprehensive and slower per se. So if you would love to have a one-on-one or a more comprehensive bidding tutorial, kindly reach out to me via the contact details down below on the description, where we can be able to set up a class for you and be able to uh, help you improve your bidding skills. Okay, so as you can see here, we are almost done the making the parrot on the one dimension. So remember, this is going to be a three-dimensional piece. Okay, so you need to make two pieces of this once you're done, and they really need to be quite exact and identical. So the reason why also I'm showing you this is also to see how much time, how much effort, how much skill, how much concentration goes into making this. As you can see here, we are done doing the parrot. It really looks beautiful. You can freeze this point here, take a screenshot, and check on your progress to see whether you have gotten it right. Okay, all those corners, I'm quite sure if you try it, you can be able to tell how complex it is to try it out. So once you're done with the first piece, you make the second piece like that. They really need to be exact replicas of the other. They need to be resemble each other exactly. Okay, so once you do that, now we go to binding the two. This is something that we've done over and over in the previous tutorials, where we've done key holders, hand rings, and other three-dimensional pieces. So it's a very simple thing using a fishing line. You just add one bead and then you crisscross over like that, and then you pass the fishing line on the right through the right bead, the immediate next right bead, and the fishing line on the left through the immediate bead on the left. Okay, and then you add one bead. Oh, you repeat the same sequence until you're done going through the whole piece. For this parrot, or for a piece that has got different colors at different points, you just need to be keen to spot those colors and match the colors to the outline that you're making. Like here, we are adding red on the red bit where it's around the stomach area, and then once we get to around the beak area, we're going to use the black and yellow beads. Okay, so you just need to be keen on those small details so that your finished product like this will look brilliant. Okay, so we repeat the same thing over and over until we are done making the whole thing. You can also as well add your loop where we're going to pass your necklace or your keyring on the top. decay as we've done there with the silver beads. So please let me know if these tutorials have been helpful to you in any way. Also, kindly don't forget to hit that like button if you've liked what you've seen. You can share this video so that we can get to more people, and kindly consider subscribing if you haven't already, and let me know what you'd like to see next on our tutorials. And I'm really grateful for you guys sticking with me till this point, and I hope to see you on our next video.